Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? This code just looks simple, but it is actually very difficult to find the correct output. So first of all, here as you can see, we are using the copy module, and here we have a tuple here, and we are trying to copy A, and then we are printing A is B. So if you have thought that tuples are immutable and this will cause an error, well, that's not the case because it returns true. Well, the reason why this happened is because their memory location is quite same. But if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here we just need to understand this deep copy first. So what does deep copy do is that here let's assume A is in some memory and it have some ID. Let's call it ID. And what happens is that when you use deep copy, this B will be referencing to the same ID. Let's say this is the ID of A, and B will also have the same ID. That's why when you use A is B, what it compares is actually the ID of A and the ID of B. And since they were the same, we got true.